How to become an artist without going to art school. 10 tips listed. Have you ever wondered how some artists make it? You would be surprised to know how many artists have become successful without a formal education at an art school. In this video, we tackle how to become an artist without going to art school. I have gathered 10 tips to successfully develop yourself as an artist without going to art school. Can you be a self-taught artist? Self-taught artist is gathering the information and teaching themselves how to create art. You don't need art school to certify you as an artist. You can become an artist totally by yourself with the help of your passion for art. The word artists has become entirely subjective, so if you see yourself as an artist, then well, you are. As I have seen, a growing number of successful artists are, in fact, self-taught artists. How do I develop myself as an artist? As a self-taught artist, it can be difficult to know where to start or how to keep going. I have gathered 10 tips and tricks to help develop yourself as an artist. 1. Learn from others. Watch videos, talk to other artists, and reach out to learn from people you admire. Learning from others is a great way to be inspired and to get started. I sign up to many courses run by fantastic artists on Instagram who fund their courses via Patreon. 2. Create, and create. You will need to put the hours in to learn by experience. There are different ways to do this. One way is to copy the masters and study their art. But keep in mind to leave most of these hours creating your own art and developing your style. 3. Focused and dedicated sessions of learning. Take your learning step by step, don't try to learn everything at once. Choose one thing you want to learn and create regular, consistent learning sessions during the week. A self-taught artist doesn't have the luxury of spending 7 hours a day creating art, so choose wisely what to practice when you have created the time. 4. Save your artwork, even the ones you are not happy with. By documenting everything that you create, you will discover patterns and learn from past mistakes. Take time to study your creations as a collection and notice your strengths and weaknesses. Five. Judge your art with constructive criticism. You will likely not improve if you never identify areas to improve on. 6. Find your drive and stay optimistic. There will be times when it is more difficult to create art, times where you feel stuck. But I want you to know that the sky is the limit, so aim for it. However, know that you are still learning and that your achievements will take time. 7. Gain inspiration from the world around you. Explore, search and travel to widen your perspective on the world around you. Try to find a new perspective to view your life. Find ways to gain inspiration and look for them. Don't be afraid of trying to learn a new technique or color when broadening your comfort zone. 8. Search for art education elsewhere. There are much cheaper ways to be taught about art than going to art school. Take art classes in your neighborhood, try online classes, or watch YouTube videos. This way, you can specifically choose what you want to learn. 9. Set goals and keep your eyes on the prize. Setting goals will help you to strive for something. A goal can be to create a small artwork one day, do a showcase in a big gallery, or just go out and buy paint tomorrow. All goals, big or small, are important to move forward and develop yourself as an artist. Planning is key to becoming successful. 10. Connect with others and market yourself and your art. You want people to know you and to know of you in the best way possible. To become a successful artist, you need connections that will help you get there. Use social media platforms, create your own website, and reach out to others. As I have seen, a growing number of successful artists are, in fact, self-taught artists. Be your best critic that helps you understand what you can do better in an unbiased manner. Stay optimistic and love your happy mistakes. How do I develop myself as an artist? As a self-taught artist, it can be difficult to know where to start or how to keep going. I have gathered 10 tips and tricks to help develop yourself as an artist.